children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to your English online classes. Do you remember me? Yes, I am Masha, your English teacher. And your Revati ma'am has completed the lesson 2, Good Night Tinku, and the poem How Creatures Move. I hope you have completed the notes. So children, you should update your notes and study well. And you should read the textbook every day. And do you love stories? Yes, I know all of you love to hear stories. So today I am going to explain a beautiful story. The name of the story is How the Firefly Got Its Light. The name of the story is How the Firefly Got Its Light. See children, have you seen a firefly? Yes, might have seen.
Fireflies are insects like butterflies, bees, etc. Do you know how the firefly different from other insects? Yes, firefly has a light on its back. Then when we can see the fireflies? We can see the fireflies at night, right? Yes, we don't know how the firefly got its light. We can find out that from this lesson. So dear children, it was the season of spring. In the spring season, we can see so many beautiful flowers blooming, and we can see so many insects are flying around the flowers. Why these insects are flying around the flowers? Yes, to sip the nectar. Sip means drink. Nectar means honey. These insects are flying to the flower to drink the honey. So all the insects were very happy. They were happily coming and drinking the nectar, drinking the honey. But there was an insect by the name of fly. This fly was very sad. Why he was sad? Because he wanted to be special. He wanted to be different from other insects. At that time, a butterfly was flying over there. So this fly just looked at the butterfly. We know the butterflies are very beautiful, and they have such different and colorful wings. He saw the butterfly and he became so sad. He was jealous of the beautiful butterfly. Children, you might have seen bees. What are bees? Bees are the insects which make honey, and their sound they produce is called buzzing sound. So the fly heard the bee's buzzing sound, but he was not happy. The fly thought bee is so strong and he is making the buzzing sound. He is attracting others with his buzzing sound. I don't have such speciality like that. At night he could not sleep because he is so sad. So he was flying around the garden. At that time, two little friends, two little animals, mole and mouse, both of them were awake. They also could not sleep. They see this fly. Do you tell me why they did not see the fly? They did not see the fly because the fly is so tiny, so small, and it was so hard to see him on the dark. The fly was flying around the garden. He saw the stars. Stars are shining very beautifully at night. He wanted to shine like stars. He thought that if he gets the shining like stars, he will be special. He will be different from others. The moon was also there in the sky. The moon heard what the fly said. The moon said to the fly, what the moon said to the fly? The moon said that if you help me, I will help you to shining. Then the fly was confused. How can I help the moon? The fly was thinking. The moon said that he does not have any friends because the moon comes at night every day. So at that time all the animals and insects are sleeping. So he was alone at night. He does not have any friends to talk and play. He wanted a best friend. Then the moon said if the fly becomes his best friend, and then he will help the fly to shine. The fly agreed to stay with the moon at night. Then the moon taught a secret spell to get the shining. What's the meaning of the word spell is? The word with the power of magic. The meaning of the word spell is the word with the power of magic. Which secret spell the moon taught the fly? That was fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. Fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. The moon said the fly says the spell every night. The moon said the fly says the spell every night. He will get the shining light like stars. Then the next day the fly could not sleep. Without sleeping, the fly was saying the words taught by the moon. Which words? Yes, fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. After saying these words, the fly started to shine like the stars. He was shining like a star. It is so wonderful, right? Yes, the fly was so happy and he was flying in the garden with full of happiness. At that time, the mouse and mice could see him because the fly he got the shining and was flying in the garden. So everybody could see him. The mouse and mice became wonderful by seeing this fly, attractive shine with a light on its back. They also decided to shine like the fly. The fly was so happy because he became different from others. With a happy smile, he promised the moon that he will always be the friend of moon. He also promised that he always will shine in the dark. He will always shine in the dark to welcome the moon at night. The moon thanked the fly with a lot of happiness and they became good friends each other. And they became good friends each other. That's the story. Now let us discuss the textual activity. Let us understand from page number 24. Let us understand. Choose the correct words from the box and complete these sentences. In the box they are given the words. First one pretty, second one shine, third one special, fourth one strong, fifth one spell, and sixth one stars. Once more. First one pretty, second one shine, third one special, fourth one strong, fifth one spell, and sixth one stars. And below they are given 6 sentences. I will read one by one. First one, fly was sad because he wanted to be dash. Second one, fly thought bee was dash. Third one, fly thought butterfly was dash. Fourth one, fly wanted to shine like the dash. Fifth one, moon taught fly a secret dash. Sixth one, now fly could dash. Using the words given in the box, we need to complete the sentences. The first one, fly was sad because he wanted to be dash. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Fly was sad because he wanted to be special. Second one, fly thought bee was. What did the fly thought about the bee? Yes. Fly thought bee was strong. Third one, fly thought butterfly was dash. Fly thought butterfly was pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Fourth one, fly wanted to shine like the dash. Fly wanted to shine like the stars. Fifth one, moon taught fly a secret dash. What did the moon taught the fly? Moon taught fly a secret spell. Spell means what? The word with the power of magic. Sixth one, now fly could dash. At last, fly could shine. So the first sentence, fly was sad because he wanted to be special. Second one, fly thought bee was strong. Third one, fly thought butterfly was pretty. Fourth one, Fly wanted to shine like the stars. Fifth one, moon taught fly a secret spell. Sixth one, now fly could shine. So children, you should complete this exercise in your textbook.
So children, you should watch the YouTube URL attached with this classroom and attend the test, and you should try to read the lesson. In the next class, I will read and explain this story. Okay? And one more thing I want to tell you. See children, you should write one page from your cursive writing textbook. You should write one page from your cursive writing textbook in a way. And you should be ready with your notebook and the cursive writing book during your live sessions. You should be ready with your notebook and the cursive writing book during your live session. And all the children, you should attend the live session. So we can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.